Hello, my dear friends. I'm so glad we are together again. Today we're going to talk about something that touches almost every one of us after the age of 60. Our legs and joints start reminding us they're still here. Sometimes they swell, sometimes they ache, and sometimes there's that strange tingling that won't leave us alone. Many people just sigh and say, "Well, that's age." But in fact, these are signals from the body. "Please help me. I'm running low on building material." And that material is collagen. Collagen is like the scaffolding of our body. It keeps our skin firm, our joints flexible, and our legs strong. But as we age, especially after 60, our natural collagen production drops dramatically. Scientists say we may lose up to 75% compared to when we were young. No wonder our skin becomes thinner and our joints start to creak. The good news? Nature has given us foods that can help replenish collagen. They're simple, natural, and easy to find at any grocery store. Today I'll share 8 of these foods that can ease swelling, bring back comfort, and restore joy in movement. And as always, we'll begin with the most unexpected one. Number 8. Egg yolks. A friend for your joints. For decades, egg yolks were labeled as dangerous cholesterol bombs. Many of us even learned to throw away the yolk and eat only the white. But new studies have shown we were wrong. The yolk is rich in amino acids, especially glycine and proline. These are the very building blocks of collagen. Glycine helps form the strong triple helix collagen fibers, while proline stabilizes and strengthens connective tissue. Think of them as the bricks and cement holding a house together. Research shows that older adults who ate eggs at least 4 times a week had 25% higher collagen levels in their bodies than those who avoided yolks. Even better, they reported less morning stiffness and reduced swelling in their legs. The secret lies in preparation. Don't overcook them. Soft-boiled or poached eggs preserve these nutrients much better. And if you add a slice of tomato or a few spinach leaves, the vitamin C will help your body turn those amino acids into collagen even faster. So tomorrow morning, try starting your day with 2 eggs and some colorful veggies. A simple habit with powerful results. Number 7. Papaya, the sunny fruit of youth. Now let's travel to warmer lands where the papaya grows, bright, juicy, and sweet. Many of us only know it from vacations, but this fruit hides a wonderful secret. It helps the body absorb protein and turn it into collagen. The magic comes from an enzyme called papain. As we age, our digestion slows, and it becomes harder to break down heavy proteins. Papain acts like a helper, breaking proteins into small pieces that the body can easily use to build collagen. In one study, adults over 60 who ate fresh papaya daily for 3 months had firmer skin, fewer wrinkles, and less swelling in their legs. To get the best effect, papaya should be eaten raw and ripe, ideally on an empty stomach. Just slice it or blend it into a smoothie with a bit of lime juice. But avoid canned or cooked papaya. Heat destroys most of its benefits. Number 6. Chicken skin, the hidden treasure. Be honest. How many of us peel off chicken skin and throw it away? We've always been told it's unhealthy. Yet it turns out chicken skin is one of the richest natural sources of type 1 collagen. The exact kind our body loses most rapidly after 60. A study found that older adults who included chicken skin in their diet 3 times a week had fewer knee problems, better balance, and less swelling around the ankles after just 3 months. But preparation matters. Fried chicken skin is harmful and loses its goodness. Instead, try baking or slow cooking with the skin on. Even better, make homemade chicken broth with the skin. The collagen seeps into the liquid, making it a healing drink. You can sip it warm or freeze little cubes to add to soups and stews later. What was once seen as waste can actually become a daily tool for strength and comfort. Number 5. Sardines. Small fish, big benefits. Let's move to the sea. Sardines are tiny, inexpensive, and often overlooked. But nutritionally, they're real powerhouses. Why? Because we eat sardines whole, skin, bones, and connective tissue. And that's exactly where collagen hides. Sardines are especially rich in type 3 collagen, which supports blood vessels. Healthy vessels mean better circulation, fewer cramps, and less swelling in our legs. One study showed that seniors who ate sardines 3 times per week improved circulation in their legs by almost 20% and reported less ankle swelling after 10 weeks. Sardines can be eaten on toast with lemon, in a salad, or mixed into pasta. If the smell is too strong, soak them briefly in lemon juice to soften the flavor. And always choose sardines packed in olive oil, not cheap seed oils, to protect collagen. So don't underestimate that little can on the supermarket shelf. It might be the easiest way to support your legs and joints. Number 4. Bone marrow. Strength hidden inside. Once a rare delicacy, bone marrow is now making a comeback as a natural healing food. Found inside large bones like beef femurs or lamb shanks, it is packed with collagen and compounds that support joint flexibility and skin health. The real star here is hyaluronic acid, which acts like lubrication for our joints and hydration for our skin. Seniors who regularly consumed bone marrow broth reported less swelling, smoother movement, and greater ease climbing stairs. To enjoy it, roast the bones slowly and spread the soft marrow on bread like butter, or simmer them for many hours to create a rich broth. Adding a splash of apple cider vinegar helps pull out all the nutrients. Number 3. Gelatin. Collagen made easy. When you hear gelatin, you might think of colorful desserts, but pure unflavored gelatin is simply cooked collagen, already broken down and easy to absorb. This makes it perfect for older adults whose digestion has slowed. Studies show that just 10 grams of gelatin a day improved muscle tone, reduced stiffness, and made skin more hydrated within weeks. How to use it? Dissolve a spoonful in warm water, add it to tea or coffee, or make homemade fruit gels with berries and honey. Just avoid artificial flavored packs from the store. They're filled with dyes and sugar that work against collagen. Number 2. Liver. The forgotten superfood. Liver is one of those foods people either love or hate. But no matter how you feel about the taste, you can't deny its power. Liver is loaded with vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine, 4 key nutrients that the body absolutely needs to make collagen. Without them, even a high-protein diet won't rebuild the collagen matrix. Research shows that seniors who ate liver just once a week had dramatically stronger collagen activity, firmer skin, fewer varicose veins, and less swelling around knees and ankles. If you're not a fan of the taste, start small. Mix a little liver into soups or stews, or try a smooth liver pâté with lemon juice. Even 50 grams a week can make a real difference. Number 1. Bone broth, the golden standard. At the very top of the list is an old trusted remedy, bone broth. Our grandparents swore by it, and modern science finally agrees. Properly prepared bone broth is the most concentrated natural source of collagen. But it doesn't stop at collagen. Bone broth also contains glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid, all working together to strengthen joints and improve mobility. In one large study, seniors who drank just 1 cup of bone broth daily saw firmer skin, less cramping, and more energy after 2 months. MRI scans even showed thicker cartilage in their knees and hips. The key is preparation. Simmer beef or chicken bones with a splash of vinegar for 12 to 24 hours. The result should turn jelly-like when cooled. That's a sign of true collagen richness. Drink it warm in the morning or use it in soups. Conclusion. My dear friends, aging is not the end. It's simply a new chapter. Yes, after 60, our collagen levels decline and we feel it in our joints, our skin, and our legs. But we can take action. Let's remember our list. Gargouts for essential amino acids. Papaya to help absorb protein. Piscine skin, rich in type 1 collagen. Sardines to strengthen blood vessels. One marrow for joints and skin hydration. As easy to digest collagen. Liver for vitamins and minerals that trigger repair. Quickest, bone broth, the golden classic. Try adding even 1 or 2 of these foods regularly to your meals. Within weeks, you may notice lighter legs, stronger joints, and fresher skin. Take care of yourselves, dear friends, and please share in the comments which of these foods do you already enjoy and how do you prepare them. Your stories can inspire others to live healthier and happier after 60.